Make the ground shake.
This Bentley Bentayga is getting a full wrap.
Yo, the Bentley truck got 4 doors.
Holiday season.
You see that B on the hood, nigga? Yo, the Bentley truck got 4 doors. Yo, the Bentley truck got 4 doors.
Holiday season.
What's up, guys? So, real quick, if you want anything vinyl wrapped, not just the car, if you want your tiles done, your railings done, etc., anything, just let us know. We'll try to see if we can get it done. We have a whole bunch of different color palettes, which I'll show you in a minute. But for this club/restaurant, not going to say who, they ordered these tiles. As you see, after you take the sticker off, you know, you got to get this out, but kind of boring, right? Just silver, matte, nothing glossy, shiny. It's not going to really stand out. So this guy requested that we wrap 100 something tiles in this satin yellow color. Now look at that. I think that looks way better than the other silver crap over here. But spending a lot of money for this, not an easy job. It takes about 30 to 45 minutes per tile. Think about it. Over 100 tiles we're doing for this guy. Spending a lot of money. It's going to take time, but we're getting it done. I think we already got 1 box done. We got about 2 or 3 other boxes of tiles. So if you guys need any other wrap jobs, please let us know on Instagram at New Age Autosport or on our YouTube. So as you guys see, this is our color wall over here in the waiting room. As you see, we get this from 3M, and that's the satin yellow that I was talking about that he got done on all the tiles. Got a whole bunch of different more yellows, a lot of blues, basically any color of the rainbow. So if you want to wrap your car, tiles, anything for your company that you have in mind, let us know, please.
Oh, it's huge. What people are there?
On this range over here, Bound came and did the tints, and they're just touching up the back, rewrapping the bumper. You heard that thunder?
That's how you know you're from the hood. You heard that thing? No, bro. He thought that was... He started ducking.
You got scared of that thunder, Cal?
I don't fuck with the thunder, B. I'm from Harlem. That shit sound like gunshots out there where we at.
Cal.
I swear to God, they're controlling the weather. It just stopped. And then it all of a sudden, it just said, boom! They're controlling the weather. It's true, YouTube is right.
Huh? Corey's car gets recorded.
I don't think that umbrella's helping Mikey too much.
Yeah.
So in the other vlog, we got those 22s on the range. This is what it looks like outside. As you can see, they're actually flush with the car. Looks pretty nice.
That's where the M6 was. Wiping on the M6 right now. Wipe it down outside. The guy's waiting for the wheels. Okay.
What, where are the keys to the Geely?
They got them in the box.
Mikey in the drop top.
Yes, sir.
So yesterday this was all white. Had some night wrappers come in. It's going stained black. Highlight green brake calipers. they put work into this car. So you see they disassembled the door panel, so they can go wrap the door on that side.
So we're continuing the process of installing the K40 system. We already installed the radar, the laser diffusers on the back bumper. Inside I put the jammer, and now I disassembled the whole bottom. All these skid plates needed to come off. I got them back on now, almost. But basically everything had to get disassembled just so I could run the wires neatly and organized. In my opinion, this is more of a pain in the ass than some Ferraris and Lamborghinis. It has a hybrid motor, battery, carbon fiber tub, and a gas motor on top of it. And then everything's really tight and covered up. So it's really hard to work on. It's taking more time than I'd like it to, but it's coming along. So far we finished up the back. Now we're working our way towards the front. As you can see, the wires hanging right there.
Yeah, right over here you got the wires hanging.
So yeah.
Yeah, this is not easy, but we get everything done here. And they're right down.
Yeah.
What's up, guys? So the i8 is done today. It's out of here. We got the K40 Jammer system installed. I'm gonna show you guys that right now. So let's start her up.
K40 scan active. Front K-band. Rear K-band. GPS connected.
So as you guys see, we have two light indicators. Got one on your left, got one on your right. Basically what that explains is the one on your right shows the cops scanning you in the front, and on the left side, you have them scanning you from the back. So you can determine whether, you know, obviously when to slow down and if they basically already got you. But definitely a dope setup. Had to take apart the cluster and had to take apart some of the parts in there, but for the most part, definitely a successful install. If you guys want this done for any of your cars, we also had a customer do this in his Urus. I mean, if you think about it, you do get a lot of money for speeding tickets, and you know, depending on the state, if you live in the state, you actually get points, so sometimes you can't get the points off, depending how the court goes or whatever the case is, so your insurance goes up. So if anything, this is actually saving you money in the long run out of speeding tickets in certain zones. So I definitely recommend it. So if you guys want that installed, definitely let us know on our Instagram at New Age Autosport or on YouTube. And lock her up. And she's ready to go.